Build wealth from anywhere in the world. Do you dream of building wealth and achieving financial freedom, but feel stuck because of where you live or your current situation? Here's the truth. You can start building wealth anywhere, and today, I'll show you how, with real-life strategies and stories of people who've done it. Your path to financial freedom. Your zip code doesn't determine your net worth, your mindset and actions do. Whether you're in a bustling city or a remote village, the principles of wealth building remain the same. I'm about to share a step-by-step guide to build wealth no matter where you are, based on timeless principles and inspiring stories. Step 1. Master your mindset. Building wealth starts with your mindset. 1. Shift your thinking. Believe it's possible to build wealth, even if you're starting from zero. 1. Many wealthy individuals began with nothing but the right mindset. 2. Set clear goals. Write down your financial goals. 2. Are you saving for a home? 2. Starting a business? 2. Or aiming for full financial independence? 3. Learn continuously. Use free resources, YouTube, books, podcasts, to learn about personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Take John from Kenya, who started with no formal job but taught himself coding using free resources online. Today, he's earning 6 figures as a freelance developer, proving that your location doesn't limit your opportunities. Step 2. Increase your income streams. Once your mindset is in place, focus on earning. 1. Freelancing. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal allow you to work for clients worldwide. 1. Skills like writing, graphic design, or digital marketing are in high demand. 2. Remote jobs. Many companies now hire remotely. 2. Search platforms like LinkedIn or remote.co for opportunities in your field. 3. Start an online business. E-commerce, dropshipping, or digital products let you sell to a global market. 3. You can literally build wealth from your laptop. Sarah from India turned her hobby of designing handmade jewelry into a thriving Etsy store. With just a small upfront investment, she grew her side hustle into a full-time business. Text on screen. Step 3. Save smart, invest wisely. Earning money is just the first step. To build wealth, you need to save and invest. 1. Save aggressively. Cut unnecessary expenses and put aside a portion of your income every month. 2. Start small investing. Use apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or Stash to invest small amounts and grow over time. 3. Explore real estate. In some areas, buying and renting out properties can be a reliable income stream. 3. If that's not feasible, look into REITs, real estate investment trusts. 4. Invest in index funds. These are low-cost, diversified, and proven to grow wealth over the long term. Diego from Brazil started investing just $50 a month in index funds while working a part-time job. 10 years later, his investments are worth over $50,000. A clear example of how small steps lead to big results. Step 4. Automate your finances. Make wealth building easier by automating your finances. 1. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts as soon as you get paid. 2. Use financial tools. Apps like Mint or Personal Capital help you track your spending and savings effortlessly. 3. Build passive income. Invest in dividend-paying stocks, create digital products, or explore affiliate marketing for income that works while you sleep. Your wealth-building advantage. Here's the most important lesson. Wealth isn't about where you start, it's about how you start. Focus on progress, not perfection. The sooner you take action, the faster you'll see results. Imagine a future where you're free to live life on your terms, all because you decided to take control today. Start building wealth today. So, no matter where you are, the tools, strategies, and opportunities to build wealth are within your reach. What's your first step going to be? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Wealth Sphere, and turn on notifications for more actionable tips to build your wealth journey.